Episode for higher GC News. Bima Uya Kwaba Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say be subscribe. They'll be on say be click a subscribe button na wabele notification where is a new video be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofori so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensem a ekoso ewo Ghana memu harom afi ye hwe ye ensem a abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemu ya ekoso yi mu yenti
John Jinapo MP for Yape Kusaw wa ye Minister of Energy ye ne ntwetwe enkomo no rame mo achi
bejo so menia
na wo mpombo ko de
akrakra ye beso
Anno the display parliament power who's ofori Atta waje pabam what in law.
So sometimes you bring a bit of humor in the chamber. It's part of it.
The part of it, yeah. Yeah, a bit and so be now, Maba Unchenya, and then I'm say a job a minister ECG who said near maybe a cost a year corrupt practices be near the idea in Chayi. No, Adaruma, when we are singing a child, a dear Benna, when you are say.
No, many ECG, even most of the agencies, no. Near Kosovo, no. For instance, we'll take a ECG. My contracts are my abroso. So, Okaso Montreal, 10 years, woman.
Contract na ya manu say ye ma won kwanse wa muntua contract na 10 years entimi
I'm telling you because oshe omo distribution service charge and sika omo ditua omo salaries now her contracts o mama say do na I mean it's just unimaginable.
Wow.
You call how say more than 2,500 containers and alcohol. Mini the mortgage and I book over 1.5 billion. Na containers no. So they go for a review auction. No matter the about open market about the town. I mean, I keep asking the company here there is how you manage it.
Me ba jo. Eni amana be good port one. Ni ye no na aye den na e den na aba enkrofon so wiewia
yeah ECG and it's on my contractor so the bill of lading bepe only on my use no material container ni be dry is ECG and a clear containers no
na
the ABS and cover catalog my contract cotonia manufacturer me what the bremia no material no Mama is a once I would be of lady number so Matonia Mano. And now and I'm quite so banner started trial. It be dressed the pisca. Clear. That is the question. A few weeks, energy setup bill is 68 billion. ECG so much manage by 10 billion.
Bibacho say empokrani ma contract now the near money bar. Ubeyi a deliver. Would deliver we are Afenyo Markins, and na we are in a standard, and now the buy ya checking in who said Biara womb said the tear pepe and sana ya raise voucher and no crown no ever go through process. Where dear would obey any buy a triaco?
Does it?
How?
Now you see just casual. Ebia was a mutual no more 1.5 billion. 500 million there and baby coy and cash water for mechanism. Banks net it up 40 waited basa indigenators the intimate homo. The minimum can say car power. Obviously they now watching in our community they will shut down the plant. 370 megawatts almost Shapia Dumsa Ibiano. A bed Nigerian Minister for Petroleum Abagana last 2 weeks Abba caution say more Nigerian gas now on the gas supplies no almost supply bill. Hello. Almost more than a year ni. $1 crowd munya for gas almost supplied. And also more threatened say Gyamfi ya become the baby was shot. So ECG collections in any amano. Official instructions. So close to accounts with brain no more pretty no. Not getting in nine account back home. Also no a yin I ain't a bum. Yin to be tell be a crash, any betcha cracker. Na obi nyakakra.
Minister, metwasia accounts no bebre we die ne ti edu ba bi kura to track payments no near the adding.
Absolutely. You are completely right. It's almost bebre no last week you tell me following my directive. I mean all kinds of complaints here and there. Main time bank I don't hate anybody, I have no problem with anybody. Yeah, and it's a baby on Yayini Kakra. And as Ghana for Nana was able to attack away. No, it's true. Yes, yeah, IMF for projections are more in respect of tariff adjustment, you know. Shares are increment or Hamoboye. Meanwhile, it's part of the IMF conditionality. There's a tariff no cost 20%. How are you going to do that in this difficult moment? And the first option is wastage and a woman. Yes, and one. I say, be a crack running a copy. I have a source. It is also back. If all the time you increase the tariffs, boom, boom, boom. Now, one entity, it is kind of normal part. It doesn't occur well at all.
You know, Dink Common can be bit to be about 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. Revenue or Moje Edeba. Now, yeah, not Muntimin tracking will be about 500. No, and no, Wubba pet audit a Ibinu Yahweh. Baby,
the Tanaba.
Haba.
Aye. That's what our scope is for audit.
Okay.
And they bet to just every month about 500 million or Mujin or Munti until cash water for mechanism.
Wow.
Na omako ye agreements be up way BG 3%, super vendor BG 5%, bank way 80 or more. I mean, I'll stop those things, and I intend to stop it. And it's a bad thing. I mean, all kinds of people have their interest, but you need a boy in now. I'm determined, sir. Even at the petroleum downstream, all those levies and your margins, but the back of Parliament. Parliament should approve it. Anytime you want to adjust it, go to Parliament. Let's bring a bit of transparency and clarity in the system. Say, yes, there's a revenue shortfall. Now, people would understand. But it's business as usual, both downstream petroleum and then electricity downstream distribution sector. No? As minister, I intend to pursue those reforms. And
now,
yes, yeah.
Minister, Mishadi agencies been more. Yetiti yen taxes no reb wo so no bi di kowa ya na mehum bibi se monitoring na kasa de omudi scan ye no ese ye ni akire the NPA Petroleum Commission Energy Commission ni ade minim se wa hwe nsa.
You are right. Ntina say look, every quarter we should publish what we are doing. At least go to Parliament and defend it before Parliament. Because Parliament, will be very soon it should be published. I mean, there's no secret about Ejuma here, Ghana for Sika. And almost a year, I'm sure money was a mom. The people of Ghana deserve to know near this Canadian. It's as simple as that. And yes, it will be time, will be an obi, a probias, and will not be probias. Let's do the right thing and turn this sector around, Kakra. Because matter, yeah, sector need to go, and maybe a sector need to is collapsing. Would be all kind of credit or share Ghana's energy sector. The sector is collapsing. It's on the verge of collapse. I mean, how can you pay 58 billion as subsidy from the fiscal?
Subsidy from the fiscal, no, and 58 billion.
Yes, that's what they write. Energy sector subsidy and payment. IMF insists that we should provision for it in the budget. This year it's about 50 billion. And it's all because of wastage, any unnecessary and you know, we have to cut it back. Now, if we don't need to go to the Minister of Finance. There are shortfalls in the here. But there's no option than to reform. Well, never option be obeyed. But the only way is to address these inefficiencies. Procurement, Ministry of Energy. For 9 billion in 1 year. Procurement. Sorry. Meanwhile, the budget approved at 1.4 billion. How can you have a budget of 1.4 billion? Now, your procurements over 500%. Just procurement, so. I mean, it's unacceptable.
Bueno, we said the audit reporter Abeya mo perisi ni ade e betimi abasa nipa bi hu bo mu a sa nipa no wa mo betimi face prosecution.
Oh, there's a committee investigating procurement. See, the report in the cabinet near the Attorney General. Wow. The Ukrainian method. And the committee is a very strong committee. I mean, the chairman is a professor in procurement and supply chain management. So I have confidence in the committee.
Now, Minister, what can you say? No, and dispatch, we bought car power assembly so, and they say 370 million debt no more than day. And I am more
simple. The money is not there. JB West Resume and Chakaka. Nanya payment schedule. And no one go 10 power, sir. AXA, sir. Car power. Just a baby, a baby, I mean, billions and billions and billions of cities in debt. That's why I say, I'm buying away here. Fuel. Ding. Yeah, buy fuel, maybe. So, being able to buy.
But so almost say, no, I'm procure big crowd. Until the Mobaka, no, the almost discounted star story number can say, be no.
And you're not correct. So, if you are your Kotofu and not have a good interview.
Okay.
So, for very good thanks.
Aye.
The better than water to fall a very good thanks. And that's why we know that we are producing just enough. You need even 1% reserve margin. You will have to cut all your exports. Even Valco, we've cut it back because pipeline, no West African gas pipeline, they are shut it. Our more maintenance, by end of this month, first week in March will convert back to gas. Your power supply now is very tight, especially for the month of February. Only you have no reserve margin. She planned back and we touch market credit and you start scrambling.
Wow.
The engineers are working overtime around the clock and I'm a transport for instance. 2 days in the machine back when you have problem. And now no permanent yes, engineers now working around the clock they've brought it back. The ever and stabilize the system but it gives us lessons. They're going forward now. We need some additional fuel sources. Then you go through such situation where now we can have a fallback position. The meaning now to build a second gas processing plant.
Okay.
Now you enough gas. Now you dry fuel, liquid fuel, ethanol. Because no working, and then also no effective. But your gas there, no bother form is more efficient, is more effective. Boy, and you produce more power na exporting nyaka.
I see. Now say you doom so kakra krabi ewo areas and no so ne e dey ade
And in America, we are not really shedding load. What we are doing is because pipeline are shut, most of the plants are any dual fuel. You can't do a fuel. When a plant in the they use gas, that's why you use liquid fuel. Now, sir, pipe here are shutting. In case you are shutting in October last year. And I buying decided that there be almost shut, almost after election. Worst of all, I buy and top fuel almost here. You buy any at all. Until like I said, no, maybe you're consuming 4,000 megawatts. They say we are producing just about 4,000 megawatts. Normally, when you have reserve margin of 18%, then you buy a plant to be a touchman, no, I switch it to another plant. Let's say because of the challenge we've inherited, no. I mean, I have not even done 1 month. I think my third week as minister. Until we have enough just to feed us now. The plant to be touching up, once affected by big kakra, then we try and bring it back quickly. And we're more about the baby echo off kakra, but immediately, no, engineers will move on and try and bring it back. I make us no pay. They've brought back TAPCO.
Okay.
But by end of the month, we move maintenance of the pipeline now. That means the gas will be restored. If you do make see who you know, gas no, you will bring all of them on board. Okay. It's a plant by Kumpo Duma and any problem, you can easily switch to another plant. Na I'm out power no, I have more and I export it. They say we are not even exporting at all, but before then we were exporting. The junior problem, all you do is reduce export, no. Na what they are abwa. The Ghana force should bear with us. We have enough just to feed the system, and the engineers, are working around the clock on a daily basis. I'm in touch with them. Now you're making sure, say, in Kenya, no, now once in a while, not about kunya problem, emergency kakra immediately, no. They move on to restore it na Abuama and Kenya National.
Okay. Now other areas Ben say near cost of fraud activities in Nadia dear. See ye see if you are.
Oh baby, Oko Buidam say almost inside PPs, but I mean what sign PP unko POS and Koji approval. No, I was over here 11 cents per kilowatt hour every time the bay due. But you don't have an off-taker. Only will be of the top power number. Only POS approved tariff for the back tariff. No. So what it means is we them solar plants or Martin and be brain no a carcass and a babeta and would have to pay that. Oko Boster inefficiencies never be brave. People are complaining of more product from the buyer. You have to take care and pay for it. What take Ghana gas, for instance? Last week, you proposed a Agyarko cabinet. So look, Ghana cylinder at the home. In the year, na yemo muska kakra. We produce locally. NCD LPG market, Now I'm banning the import of cylinders. It did be a factory name. If I'm a factory name, a lot more orders. Now, I'm I employ Ghana for. In as much as there are challenges, and also my opportunities, kakra. They were more focused on opportunities. They were more focused on learning from mistakes that Yabe inherited. So that you repeat those mistakes again. Whilst issues of potential crime, Attorney General would deal with it, But as minister, my main focus is on how we can make the place better, improve what we inherited. There are some other positive things too that we inherited. How can we enhance those positive things that are inherited, and then make progress as a nation?
na baby to say buida ma okan yi na kyese mo ama PPA amaji approval any kyese ade no ye null and void that contractual agreement no eno mu betwa mana say mu be regularize no.
We will seek Attorney General's opinion first.
Okay.
As minister, my principle is that anytime I'm in doubt, anytime I be imagining a crabby about contracting any money, I'll go to the Attorney General and seek his advice.
Oh, okay.
On the government lawyer, you also have to be careful, sir. That judgment that we do ICC and the MPP, we avoid it.
Anyway, Minister, Mamim na wase na Minister Nyampanso Emfamon. Yeah, no, watch His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Amami.
Absolutely.
Bye. Honorable John Jinapo, MP for Yapekusau. And you're not drinking.
Na many lights on me them. It's a bar power. I had who say ECG for doing it. Me dine. I'm a public choice. Me some for light in Bram them. I'm over say Jimmy. Me test ni na best sano. Leakage is never ECG ni na ni best sano. Many abre 70 bank account. What to be that? Nipa. Afenyo Markins. Board chairman 490 million within some seconds. I didn't call microseconds. Or no call Ghana Water Company as board chairman. Mr. Man who contracts 300 in 1 year. Afenyo Markins. But the one who say who need papa be politics more no. I do the real politics mo be dead sooner or later. Yes. Full of himself. Yes, full of himself. And he does not care about anybody. So selfish. There me say last me train see what. I don't want to be wasting time on him, and he will not survive as minority leader. What would the NDC for their checking? Mahama Yariga. Hey, yes, Mahama Yariga will school him at every point, at every corner. Or more appointments committee. How about Nia? Yes, also Rezi should be on the aura. Look at the education that Mahama Yariga gave to him. That you go and check. Article 41F of the 1992 Constitution. And do you know the executive authority of the president?
Mahama Yariga is what Timbrano.
John Dramani Mahama, the dramatic.
First time.
I said the dramatic John Dramani Mahama. TNDO, Abebio,
Sankofa.
Yeah, Abebio. What's Abebio? And look at his style. His second coming. Oh, Joe, you see where no it's not hit the ground running. No, we leave the ground flying.
35.
The first appointment, the stopgap goalkeeper. So we know Chief Julius Debra,
fantastic man.
Chief Julius Debra. Ordinu ba hope. No, me say no. One say Chief Julius Debra no. Why no say oyoba sebio owabadaye. Owabadaye mo bia. Me na me catch a bad time. Me alista. Me friend me nyashi. Me Kwaku do no office. Me do ope. There be. Me mbuku appointment. Me opema semwana me so me pena semwana nti me wo baabi a eya me mpese me kɔ baabi owo no because on ye nyina ye force no ye pɛ agye okita okita akuma pa the guy name Achimota na pay obi ka kire me but I don't want to talk about it a guy name Edinu mu so me sure so tie stop that nipa no de ne ba chief of staff no mu do presidency hokra ne nipa odi omo akɔ ho Nathan Kofi Boakye ye this COPB no dey na ba on we hu no
Osman
yeah
why you ACP for 8 years
be say
that parliament team promote
the number
you winning power na and you promoting the code this COP and we be national security
watch nipa Mugabe and America say nipa be look at Prosper Bani advice on security matters.
Interior
yes, me papa no Shaoji on Pekasa on no between out the whole month on Kasa just observing American trained. I didn't know. Me see, I saw Munti from the first, first round.
The executive secretary, no. Callistus.
Oh, Callistus Mahama. No, they say.
What you have brought from that one, yes.
Yeah, Mugabe, green paper, who there was so. Who say who white paper, who him there was.
Dr. Valerie Soya.
So yeah, Hono squad, Madame Brew, Marita Pong, Hono squad, in America, stop guard, goalkeeping in the department. Led by, in America, led by Julius Debra and Kasane, solid. Then the 3 center backs.
Jinapo.
Yes. Ato Forson.
Ato Forson.
Yes, and Dominic Ayeni. And do you know why I call them
center back?
3 center backs.
And only center back.
Bawumia is saying about 5. But Obi ball on them, Obi ball the left side, and Obi ball the best fine. And look at them. They have all been deputy ministers before. And at every time when they were deputy ministers.
Okay, Jinapo.
Yes, he was a deputy minister for energy.
Forson.
Yes.
Ayene.
Yes, all of them deputy ministers for AG and deputy minister for finance. And Jinapo too was deputy minister for energy. But look at it all. Jinapo in his time, the boss Elusu Nejuma, because of Nasemo Koka or public about Dumsono. Donko. Yes. Donko. This young man at the time had to step in for the minister for 18 months. Not Dumso Chigana Tesenyina, but he stood up to the challenge. Look at him, his affability, his humility. Oh, me Alisa me fatally for me, why am I fatally for me Fred John Jinapo no afa. Na send on Ube Kasakurano. Alistair, what is it? Send the panel, Udinako share energy ministry, or the Akumapane Ekoho. And you respond to everybody. So ECG, I will whisper into the Minister of Energy's ears. I know the person who can manage ECG. The person is there as a director. Is one of their directors. Upamami monitoring. Meaning the core school. Look, she has principles. I used the feminine so they'll even see who I'm talking about. She has principles. She has been there. She has been groomed to the top. And she's sincere. She's sincere to the process. She was my classmate in Achimota School.
Wow.
Yes. And she has learned, she has risen through the ranks to get there. I'll whisper into John Jinapo's ears that she should name that lady to go and clear the mess at ECG. Because I said, I call 84 bank accounts. Company are buying there. Who running how many accounts? Who need savings account? Who need investments account? Who they discount to Muanamu Dikeke? Look at how you have run the place out. Yes, 32% leakage at the place. John has a lot of work to do, and we must form a hedge to support him to succeed.
With Ayene as a year agent.
And I may ban because Afenyo Markins will be leading the charge for the MPP to go to court to go and face the Attorney General. And Afenyo Markins can never match Ayene any day, anywhere on any case. Ayene lecturer at the University of Ghana. Go and check. Go and check. He was a lecturer for a long time. Ofori Akodi MP to get his replacement. The university, I'm told, they had to find 3 people to stand in for one person who was just leaving. And then when he became MP2, look at his demeanor and his people. I serving them down to earth. I told you he was deputy minister for Attorney General. He humbled himself. He learned the ropes
from Maretta.
Yes, bro, Paul. This is the time. He's baked. He was ranking member when we're in opposition. So it's fully baked for the job. I'm saying, look at his demeanor. He will match Afenyo Markins. No questions I will be saying he has interest. So that man debts now will be some questions. So beside aging, you will see soon Afenyo Markins in court trying to defend those people to come and take the money from us. When you come to Atu case so force, I beg you. Hey, Charlie Atu, you don't surprise me at all where you have got into. Yes, when they made you minority leader, I had doubts. I'm a honest man. So I became a little bitter. But on the second day, when I saw you on your press conference, then I heard the reason why they brought you, that we're going to fight on the economic front. I said, no, I have to support Atu. Yes, he has been my fan all this while. But I'm saying the mode with which they even changed and brought him and other things, and other circumstances, the party has moved on. And we have done other things. So Atu, his training, he's an accountant, BSc, first degree. He did his taxation in economics, his second degree in taxation. And then he himself, another PhD.
Product from Oxford.
Yes, product from Oxford. And he has done a lot of public finance. So he understands the job. And you see, he was deputy minister under who? Seth Tekpe. Yes, you understand. Seth Tekpe Otreniwa. Seth Tekpe in 1982. People must be careful. Seth Tekpe in 1982 squad. The people who sacrificed to make the revolution what it was at the time, up until now. So he has been part of the process for a long time. To coach somebody into a two. So like I told you, the back three, the goalkeeper is solid. The back three too is solid. And as for the coach, John Dramani Mahama, the dramatic Abebio, Asabebio, I have a different view about how we want to collect it. But omo fam na asumdwe mudu nim se wa wia won ye discount ma se faculty got them safako ye discount ma se faculty got them US for mu nim sika na omo de ma wo no dollars na omo de ma se faculty got them no uko yi wo bank omo nim serial numbers no o pa yen ko US forensic audit no mo fa mo details mra na sika na ye hu ye wo fie ni mfa compare say ye sika other numbers small boys are mobile bem you didn't have anything
boys and
Afenyo Markins mu Boakye mattress ba na bi you didn't have anything
Boakye mattress no man
Boakye mattress Achampon boa no ye spring mattress 1970s and odi nya sika odi worry ma be bi wo na bi yes
national organizer MPP
yes ne papa ni Boakye mattress on be that too Boakye mattress ye Kufo ba power or to to fie wo be makam 5,000 Ghana cedis 5,000. Yes, about 4 or 6 houses. Now I'm for be renting in Nipebi. Please, oh my na yomu dia ye 2 of my dear so munye din and this 9 days no. And you must say you trap power 30 years. They have started criticizing. Look at my DP. I've put John Mahama's car on my DP. Me probi oso wo nyansa no ni me argument was car no ho. Ono ani car, una automano. Me bisa una automano. O mu state protocol, mu na mo talk car no man. What? Mumu the cameras across share old cars in order to monitor his movements. Yeah, because say any intel. We will not use it. And he has brought his own car. The guy is prepared to Mumani kotre come with fear, a man it's any rent, it's any water bill, it's any light bill. What do you? Look, this is one of the wisest president. It's a manifestation of a wise man who has taken over. What 8 years? Nitty-gritty on a daily basis and monitored what has been going on. And for me, his outing, his ministers a free Eastern region. Shobano, I didn't buy Eastern region. What? Look at the greater Accra. Namomo. Oh. Yeah, Charlie, there's work to be done and there are great people who are behind the work. Yes, oh, yes. Yes, why the pop. When the names come up and they pop up, look at Sammy Gyamfi. What precious minerals. Me why I was enthused by Sammy Gyamfi is that Osi Obeseti Gold Board. And the Gold Board is to find ways of revitalizing the mining sector and restructuring small-scale mining and to make sure that the gold benefits Ghanaians. So Sammy Gyamfi has a lot of work to do, and I know me, as I sit here, he will succeed. I'm telling you.
Very.
Yeah. Oh, of course. Why? Sir, Kugan. The direct boss no. It won't to me
Malik.
Basintale.
No reading Abbas.
But Cocoa board no me. Yeah. Your mommy. Say, oh dear, Aruna Idrisu. Wayade papa. Wayade. Mugabe say me can honorable onye binka. Honorable favor no onye binka. Say, onu dear obey board chairman. O pa mark baby and sonka.
Honorable so go mu akwa.
Why come?
Next time be an patro salis te ba mema because say age no ye po yempe achi ti se woni obi a
e wo nya kokora wo
ye young
no na mo so go dia
otimi kasa se wo so no ya na ehwe hu
de o betima ye bi
Nema bi wa minimi yo
cross alone.
Nema bi no wa minimi yo. Na no emfa age hu ne de yo. Experience.
See mo ya retire for.
Yes. And experience no we are young kra na. I was here church.
Sir.
Ade ba ko kaya misri ani say. See me trim na ani say. Oh say American force can no de ba no. Omo akurasi ya no mesre. Na sika na ekoji ya reclaim you go who no mpana se no e pa he me check in rate na no mamu na me no nya adwene pa
sa
e bi se sika no American phone kukuru dollar no ma e transaction plus and minus into bank one ya plus yes I sika na the Bank of Ghana and this can
but net so
Bank of Ghana
yes Bank of Ghana in my last time amuye payments serial numbers of the dollars.
Abi na say no dey krono ni dey yenim say pefe. Eno dey nya say obi na beka. Moga. Mame mfa wakwanya iso na menchia atifo nyina. Me fi say sa station we say enese tiana se ka say NDC adi nkonim JDM His Excellency onya 57% awko 58. Amane enkenye asisie eni ehunahuna ni tua NDC in Kiyokura 188 members of parliament. Moga when you na Kenya South Station way edimwa kudimpa ni etiminya sa nkudieno. Minkase wenko there are several other stations. Wa woni mintimi moti. Ba woni me stations no. Anra na me radio gold. What's me nchia pa Boakye?
Yeah.
What's me nchia?
No.
Anopano na me wa hoto citizen any Alaska. Om say hey, ukwa aka kire Mugabe si achia no, enyina de ntoma bom. Wo hwa adwuma mo ye ya, I say edamase.
Me.
Na na se kase ni de enyina nim say you trade am ponyankopon.
Ene dema.
Na dominti.
Amen.
Ena ye bedru baby atri. Na minim say se ba wo topics no di ni nyina bom. Erio fabia me pacho ne no. E de mpa na opese ye nka.
Ene freestyle.
Freestyle.
Fame kwa Ablekuma kakra. Na ye
Ablekuma no.
Yeah.
Well, Ablekuma no for there. Me feel say
7th time.
MPP I don't know. Jane Mensa me feel say ono ankasa. I don't know whether say still adwuma no. Why na dwene so obesa ya na say onye because Jane Mensa de ono a woyi ne ho adi dada. I mean, anya say ya ne ebeta no but incompetence na wa show no. Ana sa procurement bitches are ewura ho no. Anya obi na beka che Jane Mensa so onko. I don't know whether say still police for no that so di na chi. Soldier for no and answer ne armor cars na more protecting the fear no. Omo da so na so omko. So mo ho me di hu ya papa. I don't know because a soldier for back be do me enu. A police for back be nwotwe. And then di na chi.
Omo man e post for.
Enti no
Won qualify for soldiers.
Oh, and I mean there be won qualify for police ni. What is it? Adenjema Afarijan Yamani police in Ukraine.
Oh, that be say, oh yeah, or cost to 7 day at least one.
That be what cost to service and what are you telling me? What cost to service a day? Are they bonny ben ready? And the constitution also this so. Now the constitution pepper. I don't know so bone. One near why you bonny or my di chrono no medino. A hand to
be say man, am I a money bambo?
Hey, yeah, cry. Now electoral commission me pacho. Why Kessie as ni misoro mitiana.
Debbie.
Maybe say a question.
Debbie.
Na me wa say police need to be feared.
Debbie.
On say police need to come da. Wo be fear say me wa police need to gate order. But who ya be ma but say wo ba be di boni.
Me also count me fa.
Exactly. Nti no minua.
Ma mi bom fa we.
Yan cross baby o yan cross.
No go area.
Wo do na cross o be gina fa ko. Aka say me pamucho mo mra.
Na me frɛ wa ba.
Ye release bi ma mi nko.
Wo be ye de o me gate ya.
Nti na no de yan fa ni agro. Hwɛ Ablekuma North. A Hong Kwampo I was ye electoral commission and na pamfo no nyina di. Only Ablekuma
papa.
At least anya ye kura 2020. Nyama wo ye fon wo ye nka wo di kuro yi ko akum ekwo na yanka say nya wo bi to say his excellency John Dramani Mahama can say look me mpese moja ba kumpo begu because me power
nebi
nka ba bia nka nka ja dagana na German say one fan sua de because wunya judges are wo protect wo
no ne.
Oh, yamani nyina box num yanya ne kan say chachu me misa questions say na pa ma me no oba box num tinya botro be gina box num a wobisa
na manzo e
yan yasa who say hey chachu the way I want pop matuo num ma me ne ba
asembesi
yamani ma yanya dia ho
dia na be
but that was a bad decision. Justice any year pa.
Na one catch was no
bad decision.
He wasn't interested in a good decision. He was given a job, say job we ye baye. Make sure say ye bebe piano enye ye. Na oye ni job for fefe. Enye tuanika.
Appointing authority.
And then say no abedru be bia. Yan kasi e ba be so mu atwe.
Ni die kura yira.
Na nyira say.
Okoso ye di pano de ko ye. Once lawyer be tire asem fa no on level allegation bi won tuma ma motame ya.
Ablekuma North. Eye baby a NDC a hwɛ constitution no ne eye me ya ne say the very laws wa jemense gina so ka say yenye the CI 127 a wo gina ka say yenye ne yemfa nto aba no ekurukura bi ni wa odi so wabutu ni nyina
and they say you could to me yes so something
exactly because we butu ni because that time no to me no e kura Akufo Addo any Bawumia na wo say butu no
I mean was say bibi so kire no
nti no
yes no was say bibi so kire no
na say ono ano say no say petition me petition kura nyanko du oba be ko ne
won tentem kura ne ho
me petition
oya fun tu ma ne
petition ni bibre ko because enya obi na beka adwuma na wa ye ne nso ani na constitution ni kire say adwuma na dia ma no so wantimi anya na nso ani a yetimi fa won yi wati aya simple as straightforward
competent
masa NDC enyina wa
amanfo obuafu amanfo obuafu
Mugabe
sometimes no course ahụ minya no Mugabe want to go na maka ache mo say there be no ene free no eba no onse no amamba no I mean what's the need Persia ye come
and go down anga in ablekuma no is too much no it's too much
it's too bad and yes ya win ya dim kunim na ya te say ye niam te say dey I mean honorable Sulugu ya tena hwa mahwe posifo a omoda so ye district and commanders dan pardon him boni a wade in the police service hwe papa ya wabe national security coordinator hwe nia eni dia dan pardon di papa no for 8 good years ACP and promote no ye to abawie ya wote hense papa no ye be man top appointment dey wa command the DC
na say Osman whether you like it or not Osman started JDM anyane yane ne ko bayati wo yo bia na dwunu mu abie na under this present circumstances na me ko for obi obedi mechi a na me ko for obi na dwunu mu
dan pardon na asanka o resign ko resign
onye yie kura no ye say wunim owu a no abena we will free ne ye de ye JDM ana we will free say ye disikan wonu ankasa agididie say papa we dem ni na be adwuma no ko for papa
no be a learned man like Dr. Gariba wo man so no de nakoto baby just like that no no abeka che Ghana for say official as IGP a we ni obi o competent obetimi atake that office that useless talk from a useless IGP
say Dr. Gariba atena Greater Accra krono no mo paso mo bono omutimi mo enti Dr. Gariba mo nko workshop workshop no mo de nko tena papa qualified masa o tiadwuma na se
Bonga Yosa.
No.
Bonga Yosa Greater Accra.
I mean, I don't know why the man is sitting there. Why are they?
Obo Nkrofodi. Say Obo na me hwe sa. Kofi Boakye. Oye old boy Ti Ayamas.
Yeah, Ori Amas.
Masa, me wo ho no, da bia me ka. Kofi ba ye me na me so no mu, awa too. Na me ni senior. Yeah. But Kofi say he's prepared to learn. Sober. Na dwunu mu abie pa ompe nkwasi asem
hey there be no nonsense man
nkwasi asem na
sina mechia o
want me na want me kasaba no hwe ni
ora no bajuma no
ankure ahwi ni mu no ene ye dede anti no no ankasa o ye se no de nani hwewo nani hwewo no wa unim no obeye masa pi dogi so wa otie mi prosper bani menen the same course same year same hall University of Ghana P Doggy you political
my friend is saying
P Doggy
Prosper Douglas
Bunny una body P Doggy
and another finance man who also waha no in charge of SWAT ye man so home satam twice tamale and then twice tamale no ye the number Jubilee House
master let me tell you one thing
ni the ACPTU
yeah minim
yes
Mugabe let us not make
a mistake. Red ninja.
Asuma mi ba be kan teni mami enye mistake say ye hunko adonti and security men no mutuma de wo mutuma ye no wo mutuma ye because they are against the leadership their leadership
the one leading them
president bi obeba no leadership ni ombeko
yo waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so because so we just subscribe to channel idia but more than say subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma Ato Forson na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi otchere wadwen afa ye some we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu wo beti minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.